Learn with Quacky! Hi! I'm Quacky, the quacking duckling! Welcome to my birthday party!
Quacky, let's add some of your favorite fruits.
Sure! Many strawberries! One.
Wow, it's beautiful!
Hey! Who is it? Huh? It's a super big present! Let's open it! Wait, Rocky! Hey, Puppy! Kiki! Happy birthday! I have so many friends! Let's play hide and seek before we eat the cake! I want to be the seeker! 3, 2, 1! Where is everyone? I found one! I found another one! Where is everyone? Hey! I found the last one!
Kids, it's time for the cake!
I want to become Super Duck and defeat the evil monster!
Does anyone want ice cream balls on the cake?
Wow! I love cake and ice cream! I'll scoop ice cream for everyone! I want 1 scoop of ice cream! Woo-hoo! I want one too! Thanks! I want many scoops of ice cream! I want more! I want many, many scoops of ice cream! Gee! Quacky has turned into an old man! Quack, 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 quack. Practice with Quacky!
Let's stack the blocks. 1 block. 1 block. 1 block. Many blocks make 1 car. It wants 1 peach. It wants many apples. Tap on the cards to clear them. 1 cat wants 1 fish. Continue to match and remove the cards. Many rabbits want many carrots. 1 cat wants 1 fish.
Do it with Quacky! I'll pick this one!
You picked the wrong one.
Which side has more candies? Choose it for me!
Now, which cup has many candies?
It's this one! Yeah, I want to play it again!
Now, which cup has many candies in it?
It's this one! This is really fun!
Kids, play this game with your mom and dad and see if they can guess which side has 1 and which side has many.
Hello, kids. I'm Kiki. I'm Quacky, the quacking duckling. Magic cube, go! Wow! The destination is confirmed. Kiki, I lost my robot. Can you help me? The little monkey needs our help. Quacky, let's go help him. Go! The world is so interesting. Let's go explore the mystery. Detective Kiki, you're finally here. Please help me find my robot. What does your robot look like? He is the unique robot that can change to different looks. Wow! Little monkey, you are so great! Of course, I am the best inventor in the universe. So how do we find it? I haven't finished it yet, so the robot can only turn into something different from the surrounding. That makes it so much easier. Don't worry, we will help you to find the robot. Okay, thank you for your help. Quacky, let's use the scanner and see where the robot is. Scanner on.
Did not detect the robot. Did not detect the robot. Robot detected. Robot detected.
Found the robot. Let's hurry up and catch it. Go! See these 4 apples. One of it is different from the others. That is a robot. Which one is different? Yes, it is a robot. We didn't notice and the robot got away. Let's use the scanner and see where the robot is. Scanner on.
Did not detect the robot. Did not detect the robot detected. Robot detected.
Found the robot. Let's hurry up and catch it. Go! Quacky, the scanner shows that one of the balloons is a robot. Do you know which one? No, it's not right. Red, 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 red. Huh? They're all red. What should we do? I don't know. If the color is the same, let's check its shape. Circle, 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 circle. The shapes are all the same. Then let's check its size. Big, big, small, big. I found it. Kids, Quacky already found it. Did you find the different balloon? That's it. That's right. Quacky, hurry up and catch it. Couldn't catch it again. Don't worry, we will catch it for sure next time. Okay, Dark Superman has said that even we face difficulties, we cannot give up. Scanner on.
Did not detect the robot. Robot detected. Robot detected.
The robot is hiding in the supermarket. Quacky, let's get inside the supermarket and find the robot. Go! Quacky, did you see where the robot is? Yes, that's right. Did you find anyone that is not a vegetable? That's it. That's right. Quacky, did you see where the robot is this time? Yes. That's right. Did you find anything different than the others? Where is it? That's it. That's right. Quacky, the robot is hiding in the toy area. Let's go. Yes! That's right! These are all toys. Anything is not a toy should be the robot. Can you find it? That's right!
Quack, 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 quack.
You have nowhere to run. See how I catch you. Fantastic, Quacky! You caught the robot. Let's return it to the little monkey. Thanks a lot.
Quack, 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 quack.
Practice with Quacky. Let's fire the cannon on the item that looks different than the other. Let's fire the cannon on the item. Take a look. Which one is different? 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 Do it with Quacky! Mom! What's the matter, Quacky? Quacky loves cleaning. Quacky